Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we are going to break down a fundamental concept you'll see everywhere in biochemistry, the dimer. You might have heard the term before, but what is it really, and why is it so important for life? Let's get right into it. At its core, a dimer is a molecule or a molecular complex made up of two smaller, similar units. These individual units are called monomers. The name itself gives you a perfect clue. The prefix di means two, and mer comes from the Greek word meros, which means part. So, a dimer is literally just two parts joined together. These two monomer parts can be linked by different types of chemical bonds. Sometimes they are held together by strong, permanent covalent bonds. Other times, they are linked by weaker, non-covalent interactions like hydrogen bonds or van der Waals forces. This difference is important because a non-covalent dimer can form and break apart easily, which is a great way for a cell to regulate processes. Now, there are two main categories of dimers you should know. The first is a homotomer. As the prefix homo suggests, meaning same, a homotomer is formed when two identical monomers bind together. The second type is a heterodimer. The prefix hetero means different, so a heterodimer is formed when two different, though often structurally related, monomers join. So, why does this matter? Dimerization, the process of forming a dimer, is crucial for biological function. Many proteins in our body are only active when they are in a dimer form. A single monomer on its own might be completely inactive, but when it pairs up with another, it creates a functional shape that can act as an enzyme or a cell receptor. This process acts like a biological on switch. For example, many receptor proteins on the surface of our cells need to form a dimer to send a signal into the cell. Even something as simple as table sugar, sucrose, is a dimer. It's a heterodimer made of one glucose monomer and one fructose monomer. Dimerization can also be harmful. For instance, when UV light from the sun hits your skin, it can cause two adjacent thymine bases in your DNA to form a covalent dimer, which is a type of DNA damage that your cells need to repair. So, from activating proteins to basic nutrition and even DNA damage, the concept of a dimer is a simple but powerful idea that explains how our bodies build complexity and control function from simple building blocks. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. If you found this video helpful and want to see more breakdowns of complex science topics, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Your support truly helps me create more content for everyone. See you in the next video.